Tired of juggling between notes, updates, and coding prep? What if one platform could bring it all together? Welcome to Magnet, your all-in-one academic dashboard built exclusively for NSUT. Let's take a quick tour. This is your Magnet dashboard. Fast, minimal, and designed to help you focus on what matters. Mouse hovers and highlights tabs. All the essentials at your fingertips, from notes to notices, and even attendance. Start with detailed subject-wise notes. Organized and easy to navigate. Whether you're catching up on lectures or revising for exams, you'll find exactly what you need. Scrolling through Notes interface, and more messy PDFs or last-minute panic in WhatsApp groups. Next, dive into DSA practice sets, tailored for interviews, CP, and End-Sem tests. Each set is handpicked to sharpen your skills efficiently, show sample questions, and interface. Track your progress and build your confidence one problem at a time. Need something specific? Use our AI-powered search to instantly find topics, terms, or notices. Smart, quick, and no more endless scrolling. Stay up to date with IMS announcements and department notices, all in one place, and no need to dig through cluttered portals. Show IMS tab and highlight the latest notice. And yes, the attendance check. Just enter your details and instantly know where you stand. No guesswork, no panic. Show attendance summary appearing. Did someone say 75%? We got you covered. So whether you're revising for End-Sems, preparing for placements, or just trying to keep up, Magnet helps you stay organized, efficient, and ahead. Try it now at NSUT Magnet. Versal app and follow us for updates on Instagram at Aeronauts. NSUT Magnet. Study smarter, not harder.